2006 Mack CV713 for you. So this truck has an AMI engine in it. It runs, but it does miss, it smokes, the oil pressure is pretty low on it. The body itself works really well on the back. It's a 75,000 pound good, all works well. There's some minor seepage and some minor play in the pins and bushings for you. Otherwise, the truck, going back to it, Mack 10 speed behind it for you, 44,000 pound rears, camelback suspension, power divider back there, big 18,000 pound front axle, double frame. This would be a great truck for an engine swap. Keep working it, or if you need parts off of a roll-off, we might be able to help you with this one. It'd have to be something big for me to break it up. So give us a call. What we're gonna do is step back. Kevin's gonna run the body for you, see how it goes, and we will see you down the road.